In today's farming world, every drop counts, especially when it comes to slurry. Often seen as just a byproduct of livestock, slurry is actually liquid gold for your land when managed properly. Think of it as a natural, nutrient-rich fertilizer waiting to transform your soil, boost your grass growth, and save you thousands in synthetic input costs. But here's the thing. To reap all its benefits, you need to treat slurry with the same care and planning as any other crop input. Before you spread, test. Slurry varies wildly in its nutrient makeup depending on factors like livestock diet, water content, and storage conditions. Use a slurry analysis kit to get accurate data on nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium content. This helps you target application more precisely and avoid wasting valuable nutrients. Slurry alone won't solve everything. It needs to work hand in hand with what your soil actually requires. Soil testing ensures you're not adding nutrients your fields don't need, or missing what they do. Combine soil test results with slurry data to craft a balanced nutrient plan. The best time to spread slurry is when your grass or crops can make the most of it, not just when your tank is full. Applying in early spring allows plants to absorb the nitrogen efficiently, reducing waste and runoff. Avoid spreading during hot summer days or before heavy rains to minimize nitrogen loss and water contamination. How you spread slurry is just as important as when and where. High-emission methods like splash plates lose a lot of valuable nitrogen into the air. Upgrade to low-emission. Slurry spreading systems such as trailing shoe applicators, dribble bars, and shallow injection systems. These place slurry closer to plant roots, reduce smell, and meet environmental regulations. Want to supercharge your slurry? Add beneficial microbes, natural bacteria and fungi that accelerate the breakdown of organic matter. Benefits include less crust formation in tanks, reduced ammonia emissions, and healthier, more biologically active soil. It's like brewing a compost tea for your land, but with your own livestock nutrients. Don't let poor storage force you to spread slurry at the wrong time. Good storage gives you control and flexibility. Invest in high-quality pumps, mixers, and storage channels to help you manage slurry efficiently and safely. To get the most from slurry, think beyond one-off applications. A strategic, farm-wide nutrient management plan ensures you're using slurry in sync with crop needs, regulatory guidelines, and long-term soil health. Slurry isn't just something to get rid of. It's a powerful, renewable resource that can fuel your forage, cut your fertilizer bill, and boost soil life. By analyzing its content, applying it wisely, and using the right equipment and additives, you can turn this humble byproduct into a key part of your farm's success story.